Himanshu Nagarkar. This is one introduction. And second is his faculty, Art of Living. That is second. Okay. So actually, I had taken this printout, but he said it is very long and he has WhatsApp me very short introduction. Okay. So very nice to associate with you, Himanshu Nagarkar sir. Initially, I was in association with Varun Upadhyay. Okay. So this session, stress management or life skill management, that is AICT has, I mean, All India Council for Technical Education, this Atal Faculty Development Program. So they have given one session specifically for this life skill management or stress management or yoga or some elements they have included. Okay. So based upon that, we have invited you for this Atal FDP to take this session. Okay. So Advocate Himanshu Nagarkar, he is advocate practicing at the Bombay High Court. This is because he has given just 5 steps. This is one. Second is he is mediator affiliated by Honorable Supreme Court of India. He is a trainer for Indian Army, Dunkirk Lines. He is a trainer in FT 500 companies like Barclays, Infosys, Cognizant, and institutions like IIT, IIM, XLRI, Symbiosis, and the like. He is a grade A mountaineer. So, in a very brief but very great introduction, very great along with this advocate and I mean in the spiritual and mountaineer and so many things he is doing. So I really welcome you for this session and without wasting much more time. So I request you to please start this I mean 2 hours of enjoy.
ওইটাতে বেশি ভালো বাজে লাগছে আমি দেখলাম তো উস্কো খুস্কো এটা ঠিক লাগছে
Subhajit ji, please mute your mic. All the participants, I request, unless and until our faculty, he asks you to unmute and speak, or you want to speak with Nagarkar sir, then only you unmute yourself. Otherwise, please be muted. Only you can make your videos on. Sir, please start the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Regulwar. Usually what happens is we waste a lot of precious time in the big introduction. So I thought that it's best that, you know, we honor time of such amazing people in front of me. Yeah, and we start with the session. Great.
Yeah, for your kind information, the faculties, they are from all engineering branches.
Great.
Civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer, IT, and all whatever branches are there, they are these faculties plus research scholars and postgraduate students.
Very nice. And I'm honored to have such esteemed people in front of me. So I think in last 3 days, we have been having this session. I've been
3 days.
So in last 3 days, I think I must be the first lawyer interacting with all the engineers.
Yeah.
Great. So thank you for that kind introduction. Without wasting any further time, let us begin with this session. So as Dr. Sir told, you know, this session, it's not going to be a very technical kind of a session.
Ashutosh, sir, 1 second. Ashutosh, recording चालू है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, to disturb.
No problem. No worries. Yeah, I just request everybody to mute your mics. That will help stay the focus. Yeah. So as I was saying that, yes, the stress management sessions also can be very technical. I can talk about a lot of medical terminologies. Yeah, I can talk about the vagus nerves. I can talk about pituitary gland and the solar plexus and the nervous system and all of that. But you know, when we hear about all these technical things in stress management, it gives even more stress. Yeah. It's like, oh my goodness, it means, in order to handle stress, I have to go through so many things. Yeah. So I'm not going to talk too much about the technical part. What I'm going to talk about is the practical part. Yes, I think that will be a good idea. Yes, no? And when we say that we will be talking about practical things, then one thing that is very important is an interaction. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah, interaction is something that is very, very important. In fact, I am, usually whenever I go to different companies to give any of the corporate trainings, it is me who impart knowledge. Yeah, but Dr. Sir told me that we have such esteemed people over here. Yeah, we have amazing personalities. So now it's a two-way thing. Yeah, it's not just me who's going to tell you, it's some things which you also have to tell me. Yes, I think that would be a great idea. Great, great, fantastic. Yeah. So in today's session, we are going to discuss few very simple but effective things that can take care of a lot of things. Yeah. For that, I humbly request everyone to turn on your cameras. Yes, as Sir very rightfully said, you all have been made panelists today. Yes, so that you all can switch on your videos and we can have an interaction. We can have a very healthy interaction. We can understand. I can understand few things from you. In case if there is any technical problem because of which you are not able to switch on the camera, I request everybody to use the chat option. Yes, so either turn on the camera and participate, or in case if there are any technical problem, you can use the chat options. Yes, yeah, great. Thank you, Sudhanshu, for turning on the camera. Yes, I request everybody to switch on your camera. Yes, great, fantastic. Yeah, thank you, Subhajit ji. Absolutely. Thank you, Rahul ji. Great. Okay, so let's begin our session. So I'm going to tell you how exactly have I designed this particular module. Yeah, just to give you, thank you, all the people who are switching on the cameras. Yes, Ramesh sir, Pallavi ma'am, yes, Dr. Sudhir sir. Yeah, thank you so much. So when I designed this module, it was when I was 22 years old, I was invited by Maruti. Yes, the Maruti Suzuki company. Yeah, in one of the companies they had invited me. And when I went over there, I had absolutely no idea. So their topic was stress management. Yeah, of course, I have been a faculty with the Art of Living. Since age of 19, I have been inspiring youngsters to meditate, to breathe, to stay happy, to stay motivated. Yeah, but that was the first time I was actually entering into a corporate zone. Now you can imagine a 22-year-old boy, yes, who usually carries a bag on his backpack, yeah, goes to the college on his bicycle, yeah, he is being called in a great company, in one of the biggest companies in India, Maruti, to speak on stress management. And I had no idea what to speak. And there were going to be team leaders and there were going to be managers. The CEO himself was going to be present out there, and the forum was very big. So before I entered, I got a little stressed. Yeah, I was like, oh no, what am I going to talk about? What is it that I'm going to share? Yeah, and what I spoke over there, that's a different story. Maybe sometime we can share about it. But one thing that happened was the main director of that particular institute, he later on called and he said that we want more sessions like this. Yeah, it is the first time that it has happened that a person without any presentation or without any technical part has actually made the session so interesting. So of course now I'm raising my bars a little. I hope that I can do justice to all the dignitaries who are here. I hope I can make this session useful for every one of you. And let's see how it can unravel. Yes, yes. Let us see how it can unfold. What is it that can happen? Yes, I'm going to teach you certain techniques. Yeah, I am definitely going to add by the end of the session, you will have a brilliant technique which will ensure that you can manage your stress in a much positive and effective way. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that a good idea? Yes? Huh? But for that, we will have to follow certain guidelines. We'll have to follow certain rules. Yeah. For next whatever 1.5 hours, we'll have to just take care of few things. You know what is the first thing that we have to take care of? The first thing we have to take care of is we have to minus our age by 20 years. Some of you will be saying, what is wrong with him? What exactly is he saying? Yeah, have you seen on 40, 50-year-old, they sit like this in a very serious manner so that, the person in front of them definitely gets scared. Come on, you come back to your youth days. In the youth days, whenever any guest lecturer used to come, you never used to be so serious. You used to pass comment, used to laugh, used to enjoy. Not what he's saying, but what is happening in and around. So I want you to go back to your school days, to your college days. Yeah, bring a smile on your face. It's okay to smile. That's not a bad idea at all. Even if it's on a Webex platform. Okay? So the first rule is you have to minus your age by 20. The second rule is whatever comes here, you have to share it. You can unmute yourself and share. You can use the chat box. You can be on the camera, however, but please share. Yeah, because when you share, what happens is not just you are putting your thoughts into words, but you are making others also learn by you. Is that okay? Yes, that's the second thing. And then the third thing, don't make notes. Okay? Yeah, keep all your books and pens aside. Just keep it. Just be relaxed, sit over here. It's all about the application rather than the writing. Any which ways, the notes, beautiful notes that we make, yeah, they all go into our wardrobe. Yeah, and nicely they sit there for years and years together. Yes, Kriti Verma is very happy with this. Thank you, Kriti. Great. So the first thing that I really want to ask you, yes, very, very simple. What is your definition of stress? What do you mean by stress? Now, don't give me synonyms. Stress is equal to tension. Stress is no. What do you mean by stress? What will you call if a person is stressful? What exactly do you mean? Anybody? Something that I can't handle. Okay. Overthinking all the time. Okay. Shout frequently. That's a reaction to stress. Dr. Pallavi ma'am, absolutely. That's a reaction we give to the. What exactly is stress? Let's go to the core of it. Worried. Okay. But sometimes your worry can be genuine, right? Somebody has got unfortunately COVID and you worry about it. Taking things negatively. So many things in mind. Okay. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Anyone else? You can unmute and share. Huh? That's absolutely. This forum is absolutely open. I mean, there is no formality in this forum at all. Things we never reached where we wanted to reach. Absolutely. Sanjana, Matthew, absolutely, ma'am. I'll tell you very simple. In life, there are some things which we want to do. Yes, right now you're sitting in this session, but you want nice hot cup of tea. Yes, right now I'm sitting in front of you on the digital platform, but I want to meet you all in person. Yes, yeah, you are nicely sitting in the house. There is lockdown outside. Some people want to eat pani puri. Yes or no? These are the things which you want to do. Correct? Yes, yeah. And there are some things which we have to do. We have to go to office. We have to go to college. We have to work. We have to take care of health. Yes, we have to eat palak sabji every day or whatever every 2 3 days. Yes or no? These are some things which we have to do savings. Yeah, we have to take care of our children. We have to make rotis when we don't want to. These are the some few things which we have to do. I'll tell you very simple. When have to do things increases and want to do things decreases, the gap in between is stress. Yes, if this definition has got a smile on your face, you got the definition. What is it? When have to do things increases and want to do things reduces, then know that you are going to have stress. Yes or no? Because kya hai? Have to do things may we have no option. We have to do it. But we unfortunately give option to the want to do things. Just remember those school days in which you had a hobby. Yes, yeah, yeah. Some people had a hobby of collecting coins. My hobby is meeting new people. That's my favorite hobby. Yes, but in pandemic, I have not been able to meet any people. Yes or no? Yeah. So remember the hobbies which you had in your school days. and just think, how much time are you investing right now in that hobby? The answer would be very little time. Yes? Yeah, absolutely correct. Some people are saying. Yeah, some people they have stopped it. So the want to do things have reduced and have to do things have increased. It's not right or wrong. It's not the question of idealism, but that's how it is. So whenever this gap bridges, that is the time you get out of stress. And today what we are going to do is, how do we bridge that gap? What are the different techniques? What are the different things that we can use in order to reduce that gap? Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes, no? Good idea. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing is about emotions. Yeah. Anybody over here who doesn't have any emotions? Any bot sitting over here? Any robot sitting over here? No, we all are human beings. And you know what is the surprising part? We get 400 emotions every day. 400. I'm not talking about feelings. I mean, I'm talking about emotions. Yeah. So what's the difference? You know what is the difference between emotions and feelings? Emotions are the feelings that are caused by a person and a situation. Correct? Feelings matlab kya? Anger, happiness, hatred, love, greed, jealousy. And when it is caused because of a person and the situation, that feeling gets transformed into emotions. Do you realize this? Yes. So first we spoke about the stress, the gap between have and want. Now we are talking about emotions, feelings that get caused because of the person and the situation. And then the third aspect is the intellect. Yes, I have some very intelligent people sitting in front of me. What is intellect? Intellect is discrimination. सही गलत अच्छा बुरा हाँ अच्छा बोल रहा है क्या पका रहा है यार whatever it is. Yes, he's talking sense, he's talking absolute nonsense. All this discrimination that happens on the level of intellect. Are you getting this all? Yes or no? Yeah, some people are thinking, should I switch on my camera? Some people are thinking, why should I switch on my camera? Some people are saying, should I give a reaction? Some are thinking, why should I give the reaction? All this is called as the intellect. Are you getting what I mean to say? And the first way that we can really take care of our stress is by increasing our EI. You know what is EI? EI is emotional intelligence. What is EI? EI is emotional intelligence. You know what is emotional intelligence? It means the reaction to your emotions. See, very simple. Now you get angry. You get angry on your boss or whoever is your superior, and you get angry on your wife. Okay, most of the times wife gets angry on you. On the lighter note. Yeah. Now tell me one thing. Your anger on the boss and your anger on a wife, will the reaction be the same? If it's the same, big problem, huh? Very, very big problem. Will the reaction be same? Not possible. Some people are writing, no, the reaction cannot be same. Yeah, it's different. How? You know, how do you give a different reaction to the emotion? By using your EI, emotional intelligence. At this point of time, how will I intelligently handle my emotion? That is called as EI. You know, Americans have called this as EI. Our Rishi Munis used to call it as Vivek. Sanskrit word of EI is Vivek, which has been coined some 5,000 years before. But unfortunately, we like Americans. We like any concepts given by them. Yeah. So EI or the Vivek is something which is very beautiful. Yeah. If you are able to handle your Viveka, if you are able to handle your EI in a better manner, you can easily handle stress. It is very, very easy. Are you getting this all, everyone? Yes, no, everyone? Yeah. Okay. So let's do some kind of a process. Yes, एक process करते हैं. Let's do one very, very, very beautiful process. Yeah. In this process, we are going to observe our mind. Yes, what are we going to do? We are going to observe our mind. And we are going to just see what kind of emotions come, what kind of reaction comes. Yes, I'm going to make you go into some kind of a situation and you are going to observe yourself. And at the end of this particular process, we are going to either talk or we are going to write in the chat box what was your observation. Is that okay, everyone? Great. So let us all close our eyes. Everybody, just close your eyes. Eyes, both the eyes closed. And now you take yourself into a situation, and that situation is a very crowded train. If you are from Bombay, you know how the local trains are. So you are into a local train, Churchgate to Virar, fast local, evening time. It's completely packed. It's the summer season, and you are getting a lot of, it's very hot. You're sweating, and people around you are also sweating, and it's completely crowded. And you're tired from your office, returning back home, and you have your headphones in your ears, just so that if somebody calls, you can attend the call. Now, amidst all this situation, your phone rings. You pick up a call, and it's your school friend who has called you after 10 years. And then he says, I'm going to come home today evening. एक आपके स्कूल के बचपन का दोस्त आपको कॉल करता है और आपको बोलता है कि पता है मैं आज तेरे घर आ रहा हूँ शाम को खाना खाने के लिए। तो बातें करेंगे, मस्ती करेंगे, स्कूल के बारे में सोचेंगे, everything will happen. Yeah. And it's a very 10 seconds brief phone call. And now just observe how your mind is. After this phone call, the situation has not changed. Train, people, surroundings, everything is the same. But after the phone call, just observe what has happened in your mind and slowly open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल दे. Okay, now I want you to put it into the chat box or unmute. If you unmute, much better. But if not, then at least put it in the chat box. What happened? When we are talking about this, what exactly happened? Sudden energy boost, excited. हाँ, आप unmute करके भी बात कर सकते हैं. हाँ, किसी को बातें थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. I'm a talker. हाँ, तो unmute करके बोले तो ज़्यादा better. Felt very happy and excited. Okay. हाँ, what else? Felt very eager to reach soon. Absolutely. Yeah.
So for a moment, we forgot that we were in the train, in that crowded train.
Absolutely. Yes, Sanjana ma'am, absolutely correct. For a moment, we forgot that we were in the crowded train. Thank you so much for answering. Yeah. Due to pleasant experience, feeling very happy, felt calm and cool. Subhashri Chaudhary, Dr. Subhashri ma'am, thank you. Absolutely. Yeah. Did the train change? Yes, no. Did the train change? No. Did the surroundings change? No. Did the people change? No. Did you change? Your sweat change? Your garmi change? Nothing changed. What changed was the state of your mind. And that change in the state of mind, it completely changed the quality of your life. Do you realize this? Yeah. So I'm going to make one very, very amazing statement. And this statement you should really remember for rest of your life. Yeah? मैं एक वाक्य बोलने वाला हूँ. आप पूरा लाइफ टाइम तक ये वाक्य को आप थोड़ा नोट डाउन कर लीजिए अपने पास ही. The sentence is, the quality of your life, it depends on state of your mind. What is it? The quality of your life, it depends on the state of your mind. See, we were standing in the train. Yes, initially the quality of life was pathetic. You are tired, going home, no place to sit, you are standing, there are people. Yes, your mind was, oh, I don't want to be here. But that phone call changed the state of mind. And the same person who was very troubled now is smiling. He's happy. He's wanting to go home. Do you realize this? He has a smile on his face. You know why? Because the quality of your life, it depends on the state of your mind. And the maximum time we get stressed because we try to change the life. नहीं, बड़ी कार आएगी तब मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा. Yes, yeah, ये हो जाएगा तब खुश हो जाएगा. Somebody is written very beautifully. He says also the reverse is true. The reverse is true for a short span. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes, yeah, it's very if something is changing the mind, then that is very small. Movie makes you happy, the feeling is for very short period of time. You don't remember the movie for long. But if your mind is happy, then that has the potential to change the quality of your life. I'm not saying whether happy or sad. I'm saying potential to do change the quality of your life. The life is not dependent on big cars. The life is not dependent on big house. The life is not dependent on quality of clothes. The life is dependent on state of mind. I know so many of my friends. I know these friends. Yes, Subhajit, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I have a question at this point.
Huh.
The thing you have stated, that is on the personal level. But if I think about the whole humanity, or say people around me, when I see they are in distress, or say when I see some political decisions they are going to some
Very good. So that's it.
on my
I
country.
got your question. Very, very good question. Yeah, I'm going to come to that. It's a very good question, and it's a question of a lot of thought behind it. And I'm going to come to that question. Yes? Yeah? Great.
Okay.
I will come to that question. Yeah. So the point is that, if we try to change the life, it's not going to make us happy. What do we need to do is we need to change the state of mind. We need to use our emotional intelligence that can change the state of mind. It's not easy. Yes, this is very difficult. What I'm saying is very difficult. Yes, but all the difficult things, they start from some place. Once you get a realization, then that thing starts from that particular place. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, समझ में आ रही मेरी बात? Yeah? Okay. So now I want you to do a very simple thing. Yes, एक बहुत simple चीज मुझे आपको करवानी है. I want you all to do a very, very simple thing. Yeah? For this thing, I give you a time of 6 minutes. How much time? 6 minutes. But will you all do it? सब लोग करोगे? Yes, no? Yeah? You may feel, okay, what am I doing? But I really want you to do this thing. Yeah? Simple thing. What you have to do is, you have to pick up your phone. Okay? ठीक है, अच्छा, let's give you 7 minutes for 8 minutes for this. चलो 8 मिनट देते हैं आपको इस चीज करने के लिए. You have to pick up your phone. Yes, and you have to call any friend of yours with whom you have lost contact in. ठीक है, पिछले 2-4 सालों से आपने उस व्यक्ति के साथ आपका कांटेक्ट खो दिया है. Whatever, 5 सालों से बचपन का दोस्त है, जिसके है ना, ऐसे लोग हैं ना, सभी के लोग जीवन में. Yes, जिनके साथ आपने कांटेक्ट खो दिया है. Yes, what we have to do is we have to call him or her and generally just talk. Don't tell him that I am doing a session and in the session ऐसा होमवर्क दिया गया है, ऐसा एक्टिविटी बोला गया है, ऐसे कुछ बात नहीं करना है हमें. ठीक है? यस, हमें क्या करना है? बस फोन उठा के उसको बोलना है. Some people are saying that cannot stop in 7 minutes. No, you have to stop and come back. My session is also there. Yeah, so just 2 minutes, 3 minutes to talk to him and say, I just wanted to drop a hi, and that's why I called. how are things and all of that. And later after the session, you can say, okay, after I'll again give you a call back after say 5:30. Is that okay, everyone? Yes. So it is 4:03 right now. 5:01 we will be back. Sorry, 4:03 right now. So 4:11 we will be back. ठीक है? 8 minutes. Huh? We have 8 minutes for this particular thing, and we will be back. Done, everyone. And once you come back, all that you need to do is you need to write what is going on in your mind. इस वक्त आपके मन में क्या चल रहा है? Done? चलो, let's do it. Make a phone call to some person, some friend with whom you have lost touch. कुठले डॉक्टर्स रिक्वेस्ट करतात मॅन्युअलचं? त्यांना फक्त एक ईमेल करायला सांगा प्लीज. himanshu.nagarkar. झालं ना? ठीक आहे. आणि एक अर्ध्या तासामध्ये एक सगळ्या जितके कुठले आपले ग्रुप्स आहेत ना, मुंबई, पुणे, औरंगाबाद, सगळ्या ह्याच्यावरती जरा एक मेसेज टाकणं छोटासा. In 30 minutes, live Ganesh Homa from the Triveni Markar Ashram for Pune University. Join the link. Also, join the link bracket only for first 500 and live on Facebook. Something like that. नहीं प्रिंसिपल आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग से हो कोऑर्डिनेशन. हाँ ठीक है. ओके. every Yes, so if you're back, then you can unmute and talk. Dr. Subhashri, would you want to unmute and talk? It would be really nice to hear it from you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, I'm Dr. Subhashi Chaudhary from Shiksha Anushandhan University from Odisha, sir. I'm an associate professor from the Department of Tripoli there. Sir, first of all, thank you so much. We had been since last 2 days going over very good topics, but this topic is really different. And we generally in this pandemic situations, life has really become tough, sir, with family and other loads. So I'm really happy, sir, in such a session, sir. It was really great that we could afford to get some 2 to 3 minutes and talk to a friend, sir. He was actually shocked that I gave a call, sir. And really, sir, thank you so much. I'm feeling like entire day I was in such stress. I'm really feeling very happy, sir. And
So nice.
I promise that I would continue making myself happy by giving call to my friends whenever I get time, sir. Thank
Very
you so
good.
much.
Very good. Let's clap for Dr. Chaudhary. Very nice. Let's
Thank you,
well
sir.
put. We
Sir.
used to reside in Vada, so all the memories of school days
Yes, sir.
recollected in the mind.
Yes, sir.
Madhuri Ganorkar ji. Madhuri ji, would you like to unmute and speak? If it's fine with you, then only you can do. Chalo, rest everybody,
Yes, sir.
you write your feedback. Yes, Madhuri ji.
Mrs. Ganorkar,
Ha.
my old friend Ranjana, she
Ha.
used to be there in our Vada, and after that she went to Nashik, and after a long period we didn't have any talk because I got her number from Facebook. And I talk with her, and she's so excited. And our all Vada, whatever we used to do, how we used to play, and all the things they are recollected. And she told me
So nice.
to talk with her afterwards.
Absolutely. Yes. So talk everyone, because we are staying in the world now where distance is short but hearts are long. Absolutely.
Hello.
Yes, go on.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sudhanshu ji.
Can I?
बोला
yeah,
बोला. नहीं, some
yeah, good
lady
teacher.
was talking. Yes, Madhuri ji, you finish your thing, then we'll come to
Yes,
Sudhanshu
I
ji.
finished, sir.
You
Yes,
finished.
yes.
Okay. Yes, Sudhanshu ji.
Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yes, absolutely. Go on.
Yeah, so I must admit that it was a very good idea. Honestly speaking,
You are muted now. Sudhanshu,
yeah,
Thomas ji.
Am I audible
Yes.
now? Yeah.
Now you are audible. Yes.
Just before this session, I had a half an hour nap because I was very much tired today mentally. And even at the beginning of this session, I was, not in a even though it was a very lovely topic of discussion, stress management, but I was actually feeling drowsy because of the nap. But ever since I had this 5 to 10 minutes of phone call, which I had to unfortunately stop. I had to tell him, okay, it was just going on and on. I actually felt so good that I am sitting properly, and all that sleep has, just gone away. I'm
Disappeared.
feeling disappeared. Yeah. It's
Very good.
probably
Let's
because we are forced. It's probably because we are forced to sit at home. Like
Yeah,
most of
yeah,
us are an outdoor person, and
absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. 100%. Very nice. Very well said,
Thank you.
Sudhanshu ji. Very nice. Anybody else? Amruta Deshpande ji says, thanks, sir. Really feeling happy. Very good. Yes, I don't have to thank me. I didn't do anything. You only did whatever you had to do. Yes. Anybody else who would like to unmute and share your experience? It could be very small. Okay, doesn't matter. So, all those who participated in this activity, in a yes or a no, did you like this activity? Please put it in the chat box. Let me see what is the reaction. Those who participated in the activity, yes, Nandakishore Bhange ji, yes. Yes, absolutely, yes, all the yeses are coming. Very good. You know why you enjoyed your activity? If I have to very technically ask you, yeah, you know what you did? You increase your want factor. What did you increase? You increase your want factor. Yes, I have to sit in the house. I have to have the pandemic. We in life have been focusing a lot on the have factor. And we have so many wants in life, in the sense, I want to do things jo hai, that we are sidelining. You know, the whole world has been complaining about pandemic, and I have been absolutely happy in the pandemic because you know why? Sitting at one place, I'm talking to almost how many people are there? Almost 70, 104 people who are from all across India. Somebody is from Odisha, somebody is from Pune, somebody is from Himachal. Chalo, let's put it. Which city are you from? चलो डाल ही देते हैं. Which city? I will start from my own self. I'm from Mumbai. Come on, everybody put. Which city are you from? Nagpur, Pune, Aurangabad, Jaipur, Raipur, Aurangabad, Bid. Yes, Pune, Bhubaneswar. Then what? Yavatmal, Ranchi. Bapre, I'm right now going all over in India right now. Kerala, Coimbatore. Do you see this? It's such an amazing, it's whole of India. Delhi, somebody is from Nasik. So at एक ही time पर मैं इतने Durgapur, West Bengal. Yes, from I covered from east to west. See Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India. Somebody is Rakesh ji is from Kanyakumari. Do you realize this? Yeah. At one point of time, I have the privilege to talk to 104 friends who are from all across India. Now tomorrow, if I ask Rahul sir, ki Rahul sir, you're from suppose Aurangabad, can I come to your home for nice pohe ani chaha? Yes,
Jana
Rahul
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
na sir. See this?
Anytime.
Do you realize this? So in a span of 35-40 minutes, I made 104 friends. Yeah, you know why? Because I increased my want factor. I didn't focus on the have factor. Other I would have say, Arey, what, yaar, I have to talk to people on the Zoom. I don't like talking online. That will be focusing on that. But if it was not Zoom, whatever, Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, whatever you use, Google platform that you use, would it be possible to talk to so many people from different parts of India? No. EI, emotional intelligence. What am I using right now? My EI, emotional intelligence. I'm using my EI to make myself happy. So that is why it is said, yes, happiness is a decision. It's your decision whether to be happy or sad. Do you realize what I'm saying? Yes. Are you getting this? Yeah, Rajesh ji, just a gentle request. If you can please mute yourself. Yeah, you decide to be happy. It's your own decision to be happy. Yeah, what we do in life, we unnecessarily focus on the have things. I have to do this, have to. वो कभी रुकने वाला नहीं है. Yes, आपको ऑफिस जाना ही पड़ेगा. Yes, आपको कॉलेज जाना ही पड़ेगा. ये 5 बेवकूफ लड़के सामने रहते हैं जो मस्ती करते हैं, आपको उनको सिखाना ही पड़ेगा. कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है. Yes, बट हाँ, चॉइस है कि मैं हैव को देखूं या वांट को देखूं. डू यू सी दिस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? और वांट्स जो है ना जीवन की, हमारी बड़ी नहीं होती है, बहुत छोटी होती है. यस, कहाँ ज्यादा मजा आता है? यस, अकेले रूम में नाचने के लिए मजा आता है, या दोस्तों के साथ आप जब ट्रिप पे जाते हैं तो कोई सो फटासा स्पीकर लगा के हम जब डांस करते तो मजा आता है ना? व्हाई? बिकॉज वांट इज वेरी स्मॉल. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? तो इस सब के पीछे क्या है? व्हाट इज द होल थियोरी बिहाइंड ऑल दिस थिंग? वेरी सिंपल. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सोलर प्लेक्सस. क्यों? ऐसे क्यों? ह्यूमन बींग्स को ही क्यों होता है? एनिमल्स को पूछो वांट हैव, वो बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं यार, मेरे घर पे बिल्ली है. यस, वो बिल्ली को एक कैट फूड लगता है. उसको एक दिन कैट फूड चेंज किया तो वो खाना ही नहीं खाती है. बिकॉज वो बोलती है नहीं नहीं, मेरे को हर दिन हर मील बस यही खाना है. या बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव एनी इंटरेस्ट इन लाइफ. ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव. आपको और मेरे को वो इंटरेस्ट होते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? Yeah, so it is very interesting. In our stomach, यहाँ पे इस नाभि के सेक्शन में एक ग्लैंड होता है which is called as the solar plexus. सोलर प्लेक्सिस का काम क्या है? क्रिएशन, क्रिएटिविटी. Are you getting what I mean to say? What is the job of solar plexus? Creativity. तो जीवन में जब भी हमें क्रिएटिविटी ऊपर लेके जानी है, बोलते हैं ना गट फीलिंग, माय गट फीलिंग सेज यू नो ये ऐसा होगा, बोला है ना आपने ऐसे, यस। तो जब भी आपको क्रिएटिव होना है, आपको सोलर प्लेक्सिस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा। आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? यस और नो? और सोलर प्लेक्सिस नाभि से ऊपर अपने दोनों आंखों के बीच में होता है पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। Yes. So if solar plexus is about creativity, pituitary gland is about awareness. Yes. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah. तो मस्ती वाला ग्लैंड सोलर प्लेक्सिस है, बुद्धि वाला ग्लैंड पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है। Yes. The gland in the stomach is the solar plexus. The gland in between the eyebrows, it is called as the pituitary gland. So solar plexus is all about creativity. Pituitary gland is all about intellect. In life, we need to have balance of the both. If you are only intellectually thinking in life, then life is not going to be fun. And if you are only going to think fun in life, then you cannot perform well. You cannot grow ahead in life. So, what is the solution for this? Yeah, here in this session, we are only going to talk about solution. The solution is a very beautiful technique. Yeah. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take a break of around 6 minutes. ठीक है, 6 minutes का break we are going to take. Why is this break? You go to the washroom. If you want to drink a little water, you drink a little water, but don't drink too much, because we are going to do some practical technique, a practical tool. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah. And you have to sit in some place where there are no distractions. आपको ऐसी जगह बैठना है जहां आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा। ठीक बात है? यस नो? हाँ। अगर आपको तो थोड़ा सा मैं आपको जस्ट एक हिंट देता हूँ, कुछ मेडिटेशन जैसा हम लोग कुछ करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो आपको अगर बैठना है तो आपके पीठ को अगर रेस्ट चाहिए तो ऐसे रेस्ट करके बैठो। यस, जहां पे भी आप कंफर्ट, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि नीचे ही बैठ के मेडिटेशन करना, इट्स नॉट कंपलसरी वी सिट डाउन एंड मेडिटेट। जहां पे भी आप कंफर्टेबल हो यू कैन मेडिटेट, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ, तो मेडिटेशन जैसा कुछ करने वाले हैं, तो हम 6 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते हैं एंड एट 4:30 sharp we will start. Done everyone? Huh? So somebody of you, if you are feeling little sleepy, तो थोड़ा मुंह पे पानी मार के आ जाओ, become little fresh, and then 4:30 we will start. Okay? Yeah. Go and Okay, let's come back, everyone. Are you all back? If you're back, just put in the chat box a yes. If you are back, just put it in the chat that you are back or switch on the camera. Very good. Okay, so before we start any kind of the techniques, yeah, so I'm going to teach one very powerful breathing technique. This technique also increases the immunity. It makes the lungs very strong. At this point of time, making the lungs strong is very, very important. Yeah, and it also brings in a lot of prana inside the system. What is prana? Prana is that subtle life force. Yeah, so एक breathing technique भी आपको सिखाएंगे और कुछ meditations भी करेंगे. हाँ, एक meditation भी करेंगे. तो उसके पहले क्या करेंगे, थोड़े शरीर को ना हम लूजन अप करेंगे. शरीर को थोड़ा सा हम क्या करेंगे, ढीला करेंगे. तो सभी लोग खड़े हो जाए. एवरीबॉडी स्टैंड अप. सभी लोग खड़े हो जाए. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible? Yes, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Okay, very good. So let's just move our body. अपने शरीर को हिलाए. Come on, shake your hands, shake your hands. Very good. Now stretch. Let's stretch our body. शरीर को stretch करें. Stretch to the left, stretch to the right, stretch behind, stretch in the front. बहुत देर से सुबह से बैठे हैं, थोड़ा stretch करते हैं. Twist करें अपने शरीर को. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. पीछे हाथों को stretch करें. पैरों को move करें. Rotate your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side. चलो rotate करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very good. थोड़ा jogging करते हैं. Let's jog. Oh, everybody jog, jog, jog. Keep jogging. Okay, and relax. आंखें बंद, eyes closed. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. आंखें बंद. Eyes closed. Keep your body still. Take a long deep breath in and let go. One more time. Breathe in and let go. And slowly and gradually open your eyes. Right. So now what we are going to do is 2 breaths. We are going to learn 2 very, very important breaths. Yeah. The first breath is called as the yogic breath. पहला जो श्वास हम बोलते हैं ना, इसको हम योगिक श्वास बोलते हैं और द योगिक ब्रेथ बोलते हैं. तो ये सांस हमें कैसे लेना है, how do we do the yogic breath? I'll give a very good explanation. Okay. By the way, this breath is very important to increase your immunity. हमने इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए ये सांस बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. समझ आ रही है मेरी बात? यस या ये कोविड के टाइम पे लंग्स जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा अफेक्ट होते हैं. तो इसको ये स्ट्रेंथन करता है. ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड यूज ऑफ दिस योगिक ब्रेथ, it increases the energy. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes? Good. So, our lungs are divided into 3 categories. One is the lower lobe, second is the middle portion, third is the upper portion. तो यहां से लंग शुरू होते हैं और नीचे स्टमक तक, till the diaphragm, the lungs are there. यूजुअली हम क्या करते हैं, खाली 30% ही अपने सांसें यूज करते हैं. राइट नाउ दैट यू आर ब्रीदिंग, यू आर ओनली मेकिंग यूज ऑफ 30% ऑफ योर लंग कैपेसिटी. यस, wherein your lung has the capacity to breathe 100%. yes, 100% हमारे लंग्स सांसें तो ले सकती है, पर हम 30% ही सांसें लेते हैं. तो योगिक ब्रेथ में हम क्या करते हैं, हम 100% लंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं. वी ट्राई आवर लेवल बेस्ट टू मेक 100% यूज ऑफ द लंग. तो बलून में जब आप हवा भरते हैं तो पहले क्या होता है, हवा नीचे, बलून का जो नीचे पोर्शन है, द लोअर पोर्शन ऑफ द बलून गेट्स फिल्ड एंड देन द एंटायर बलून फिल्स अप. तो योगिक सांसों में भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, आराम से, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, 4 मिनट के लिए हम सांसें लेने वाले हैं और हम लंबी सांसें लेंगे ताकि पूरे अपने फुफ्फुस जो है वो भर जाए. We are going to breathe in long and deep so that our entire lungs are full, and then we are going to breathe out and empty our lungs. Is that okay, everyone? Yes? चलो आंखें बंद कर ले, eyes closed. शरीर को स्थिर रखें. Let's keep eyes closed and body still. और अभी संपूर्ण सांसें ले. ब्रीद इन फुल. और सांस जब ले रहे हो तो हमारा पूरा ध्यान अपने फुफ्फुस पे जाना चाहिए, फेफड़ों में जाना चाहिए. When we are breathing, breathe in full and our entire attention goes on the lung. Keep breathing. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहिए. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहिए. जब आप सांस ले रहे हो तब आपका पूरा ध्यान लंग्स पर जाना चाहिए. और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते हमारे पूरे लंग्स एम्प्टी हो जाने चाहिए. When you are breathing in, breathe in and fill up your lungs. And when we are breathing out, you breathe out and empty them completely. आराम से, हमें कोई जल्दी नहीं है. There is no rush at all. see how your lungs are expanding, and as you breathe out, contracting. हमारे फेफड़े जैसे ही सांस अंदर जा रहा है फूल रहे हैं, और जैसे सांस बाहर आ रहा है हमारे लंग्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, सिकुड़ रहे हैं। इस समय हमें कुछ नहीं दिखाई या समझ दे रहा है, बस हम है, हमारे सांसें और हमारे फेफड़े। दिस मोमेंट इट्स जस्ट योर ब्रेथ एंड योर लंग्स। एक लंबी गहरी सांस ले और छोड़ दे, और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया। आंखें खोल दे everybody. Open your eyes. Yes. So you know, अच्छा लग रहा है ना? You're feeling good? Yeah, feeling relaxed and both mentally and physically. Yeah. You know, 20 breaths in the morning and 20 breaths in the evening will really make your lungs strong. समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? हाँ? प्राण का वायु भी, प्राण का आयाम भी होता है. That is called as pranayam, the flow of breath. And second thing that happens is it makes your lungs very strong. Are you getting this? Yes? Huh? Great. So now we did the subtle breathing. Now we do something called as the fast breathing. Yes, अभी हमने क्या किया? सूक्ष्म सांसें ली, अब हम फास्ट सांसें लेते हैं. तो ये जो टेक्निक है, इस टेक्निक का नाम है भस्त्रिका. Yes, what is this technique called? It is called as भस्त्रिका. ठीक है? तो how to do this भस्त्रिका? One second. Yes. तो हाँ, अगर मेरा वीडियो आपके यहाँ पे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है ना, तो आप नाम पे क्लिक कर देना और 3 डॉट्स ये करके you pin that. Yeah. Admin, if you have the choice to lock my screen for everyone, that will be really great. Yeah. So हमें क्या करना है? हल्की बंद मुट्ठी जो है वो कंधों के सामने लेके आनी. I request everyone to switch on your camera ताकि आप कोई गलत ना करे. हाँ, आपको सभी को रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपके कैमरा ऑन करें ताकि मैं देख सकूं कि आप गलत नहीं कर रहे हो. ग्रेट. सो हल्की बंद मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, लूज फिस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर शोल्डर्स. हाँ, जब मैं इन बोलूंगा तो अपने दोनों हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे और मुट्ठी खुल जाएगी. सुधांशु जी, आप कोनिया ऊपर ऐसे कर रहे हो, आपको शरीर के पास लेना है. यस, your elbows are close to the body like this. Okay, so when I say in, both the hands go up and you breathe in with a force. हाँ, और ऊपर जो मुट्ठी है वो खुल रही है. The palms are opening up. हाँ, and when I say out, the hands come down and you breathe out with a force. Okay, तो भस्त्रिका कैसे करेंगे? हाँ, जब मैं इन बोल रहा हूं तो हाथ ऊपर, सांस अंदर जोर से. जब मैं आउट बोल रहा हूं, हाथ नीचे, सांस बाहर जोर से. Right, everyone? Yes? Huh? Okay. I request everybody to mute, please. Rakesh Kananji, if you can mute yourself, please. Yes, thank you. Okay. Huh? तो आंखें बंद कर ले. Everybody close your eyes. हल्की बंद मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने. जब मैं बोलूंगा इन, दोनों हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे, मुट्ठी खुलेगी. जब मैं बोलूंगा आउट, दोनों हाथ नीचे, मुट्ठी बंद हो जाएगी. ओके, शुरुआत करते हैं. इन, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, आउट, इन, आउट. आंखें बंद. इन, आउट, इन, 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, very good, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20, and relax. आंखें बंद कर ली. कीप योर आईज क्लोज्ड. हमारा पूरा ध्यान अपने सांसों पर है. अभी अगर हम आंखें खोलेंगे तो अपना पूरा एक्सपीरियंस, पूरा अनुभव जो है वो डाइल्यूट हो सकता है. तो आंखें बंद ही रखें. बिल्कुल हम आंखें बिल्कुल नहीं खोलेंगे. दूसरी फेरी करते हैं भस्त्रिका की. हल्की बंद मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने. और भस्त्रिका शुरू करते हैं. इन, आउट, इन 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, very good, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax, आंखें बंद, eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर ले. पूरा ध्यान सांसों पर दे. Now let's do the last round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Loose fist in front of your shoulders. हल्की बंद मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने. एक लंबी गहरी सांस ले और छोड़े. और भस्त्रिका आंखें बंद करके करते हैं. Breathe in, out, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax. विश्राम करें. Sit comfortably and easily. सिट कंफर्टेबली, आराम से बैठ जाए। अगर आपको चाहिए तो अपने बैक को सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं। अभी हम कुछ क्षण के लिए मेडिटेशन करेंगे। वी विल नाउ मेडिटेट फॉर सम टाइम। In meditation, we don't have to put much efforts. ध्यान में कुछ ज्यादा हमें एफर्ट्स नहीं डालने हैं। मैं आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दूंगा। उस इंस्ट्रक्शंस को आपको एकदम सिंपली फॉलो करने हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस, जस्ट सिंपली फॉलो इट। एक लंबी गहरी सांस ले और छोड़े। एक और लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और छोड़ दे बाहर। अपने वातावरण के प्रति अपना ध्यान लेके जाए। वातावरण में जो भी आवाजें आ रही है उनके प्रति सजग हो जाए। पंखे की आवाज, लोगों के बोलने की आवाज, ट्रैफिक की आवाज, जो भी आवाजें आपको सुनाई दे रही है उन सारे आवाजों के प्रति सजग हो जाए। किसी भी आवाज को रोके नहीं, अपने शरीर को बिल्कुल स्थिर रखे और इस क्षण जो हो रहा है उसको होने दे। कीप योर बॉडी स्टिल and at this moment whatever is happening, let it happen. अपने शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाए, बिकम अवेयर ऑफ योर बॉडी। शरीर में जो भी संवेदनाएं हो रही है उन सारे संवेदनाओं के प्रति सजग हो जाए। Become aware of your right foot, right knee, right thigh and hip. Left foot, left knee, left thigh and hip. Become aware of your genitals. जनेंद्रियों की ओर ध्यान लेके जाए। Stomach and abdomen. Chest. Right shoulder and right arm. Left shoulder and left arm. Become aware of your chest, throat. अपने छाती की ओर ध्यान लेके जाए, गले की ओर ध्यान लेके जाए। फेस, चेहरा, मस्तिष्क, पूरा शरीर, संपूर्ण शरीर। Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of your thoughts. अपने विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाए। जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं उनको आने दें। Whatever thoughts are coming, just let them come. They may be good thoughts or they may be bad thoughts. Do not resist any thoughts. किसी भी विचार को रोके नहीं। मन में जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं उनको आने दें। Whatever thoughts are coming, just let it come. You are peace, you are love and joy. आप ही शांति है, प्रेम और आनंद भी है. विश्राम कीजिए. Just relax. Relax. अगर कोई मन में विचार है तो उनके प्रति सजग हो जाए. अपने शरीर की ओर ध्यान लेके जाए. Become aware of your body. Take a long deep breath in. शरीर में थोड़ी हलचल लाए, bring some movements in your body. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल दे. वाह, तो कैसे लग रहा है? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? सभी को कैसे लग रहा है? फीलिंग गुड? और बाकी लोगों को कैसे लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है? ओके. हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्क्राइब करना, व्हाट इज द गुड फीलिंग? फीलिंग गुड? Ramesh sir is saying very good, very good.
It refreshes us basically.
Very refreshing, absolutely. Feeling relaxed. See, I can't see you, so I have to read it on the chat box. Yes, yes, sir. Regular, sir. Ah, feeling good and mind is free and refreshed. Feeling very relaxed, feeling very calm and composed. Really feeling fresh inside. No thought in the mind for a while. बहुत कम होता है ना जब मन में कोई विचार ही नहीं ना हो. सोने के वक्त भी हमारे मन में विचार चलते हैं. That's how we dream. Yeah, in meditation you go beyond. There is no thought in the mind for a while. Energy is flowing throughout the body and mind. बहुत बढ़िया, very nice. Great. So we are going to see one small video. We learned two things today. One, the quality of your life, it depends on the state of your mind. Yes, अपने जीवन का जो क्वालिटी है मन की स्थिति पर डिपेंडेंट है. बहुत बहुत जरूरी है ये. दूसरा चीज हमने आज सीखा वो है मेडिटेशन. Yes, what we did right now, it is called as the meditation. ठीक है, I highly recommend Art of Living meditations because I do those regularly. YouTube पे ये बहुत सारे meditations available है. हाँ, हाँ, जो श्री श्री रविशंकर जी जो है इस संस्था के मुख्य, the founder of this organization, उनके आवाज में बहुत सारे meditations है. हाँ, तो वो भी कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये जो तीसरी टेक्निक है जो मैं पर्सनली रेकमेंड करता हूँ, हाँ, मैं पिछले 14 सालों से ये करता आ रहा हूँ. ये टेक्निक से बहुत ही ज्यादा फायदा होता है. ऑफ कोर्स ये ऐसे फोरम में नहीं सिखा सकते हैं. इट इज माय पर्सनल रिकमेंडेशन. दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड हु कैन डेफिनेटली डू इट. इसको बोलते हैं सुदर्शन क्रिया. अपनी जो सांसें है, our breath is linked to the nervous system. Are you getting this? Yeah? अपनी सांसें अपने नर्वस सिस्टम से लिंक्ड होती है. तो सांसों के द्वारा नर्वस सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं. यूजिंग आवर ब्रेथ यू कैन मेक द नर्वस सिस्टम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो क्या फायदा है? नर्वस सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया तो क्या फायदा है? एक तो आप कंप्लीटली डिस्ट्रेस हो जाओगे. दूसरा, आप मटेरियलिस्टिकली, स्पिरिचुअली और इंटेलेक्चुअली ग्रो हो जाओगे. यस, आपको आप लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हो. यस, आप यू कैन फॉर एग्जांपल स्पिरिचुअल मतलब नॉट रिलीजियस स्पिरिचुअल, बट जो अपने थॉट्स होते हैं ना उसके बारे में. यस, और अपनी बुद्धि भी तेज हो जाती है उसकी वजह से. हाँ, तो एक छोटा वीडियो देखेंगे वेगस नर्व का. या एडमिन, कैन आई हैव द शेयरिंग राइट्स प्लीज? मैं वीडियो शेयर करने के लिए आप प्लीज राइट्स दे सकते हैं. या तो ये वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हमारे शरीर में एक नर्वस सिस्टम करके है. Are you getting this? Yeah. And using this nervous system, what can happen is we can really make our nervous system strong. Are you getting this? Yeah. So we will watch this video देखेंगे and उसके बाद we will We will talk for a little while. Oh, okay, okay. So there is something that while I am playing not happen. So मैं ये वीडियो का लिंक शेयर करता हूँ. If any of you can play, that will be great. Because while I'm in WebEx, I cannot change my privacy settings. So can anybody tell?
Ashutosh, you can try it.
Yeah, Ashutosh, if you can please play it.
Sir,
So
just give me 2 minutes. I will download it
yeah, yeah.
and I will present it.
Yeah, you can just, it's a YouTube link, so you can just simply play it. So basically, हमारे शरीर में एक नर्व होता है जिसको हम वेगस नर्व बोलते हैं. There's a nerve in our body which is called as a vagus nerve. Yeah, and this nerve is extremely important for all the amazing things that you do in life. Yeah, so we'll watch this video and then we will continue. Yeah, Ashutosh sir, whenever you are ready, please play the video. Yeah, Ashutosh sir, can we play the video?
Sir, just 2 minutes. I'm downloading it because I
Okay.
cannot share without using it.
Okay, no problem. So I'll wait for 2 minutes. If not, then I will explain you the whole thing.
Sir, maybe all the videos will be shut down for a few minutes.
No problem.
As 1872. The Orient has had
Great. Yes. Can we? Yeah. हाँ तो कुछ कुछ लोगों को आई थिंक ठीक से नहीं दिखाई दिया हुआ तो some of you may not have been able to see it properly so I'll very quickly revise तो हमारे शरीर में एक वेगस नर्व होता है जो यहाँ से शुरू होता है और अपने बेस ऑफ द स्पाइन तक जाता है it starts from here till the base of the spine and this vagus nerve is very essential for mental as well as physical health. Yes, so there are certain things that actually help you to make the vagus nerve strong. So that is meditation, food, and one of the very effective techniques is the Sudarshan Kriya. Yeah, so it is my personal recommendation. I myself I conduct a program in which Sudarshan Kriya is being held. It is starting very soon. Yeah, so it will be nice if you all can be a part of it. It is very effective and very important. Are you getting this all? Yeah. So to revise the session, we learned three important things. One is we learned about the emotions, intellect, mind. Quality of your lives depends on the state of your mind. Second thing that we learned is the yogic breath and the Bhastrika and the meditation. And then the third technique, which I highly recommend, is the Sudarshan Kriya. Yeah. So I hope you all liked this particular session. Yes, आप सभी को ये सेशन अच्छा लगा ऐसे मैं कामना करता हूँ. Yeah. I will be sharing one feedback link. हाँ, एक feedback लिंक है जो आप सभी के साथ मैं शेयर करूँगा. Yeah. I will just request you. It's a very small feedback link. Yeah. So I request you all to give me a feedback of how did you like this particular session. Yeah. So let me just share it with everyone. Yeah. I want to listen more from you, sir. Definitely. In fact, I keep traveling all across India for these sessions. Yeah, ये sessions लेने के लिए मैं पूरे इंडिया में travel करता हूँ. Yes, अभी तो pandemic है इसलिए online है, but मैं आके I will be able to give you the session. हाँ, तो those who are interested, you can definitely reach out to me. Yeah, so this is a feedback form. ये सभी आप भरना. Yes, it will just take you 2 to 3 minutes. और उसमें एक क्वेश्चन है अगर आप सुदर्शन क्रिया में अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो you can definitely click a yes and somebody from my team will call and give you more information कि how this सुदर्शन क्रिया is to be done. ये सुदर्शन क्रिया कैसे करते हैं इसका आपको information भी मिलेगा. Yes, yeah. So feedback form is there. We will take 5 minutes to fill the feedback form and after 5 minutes are done, the session is formally over. Yeah, so please fill up the feedback form, everyone. Feedback link मैंने just अभी share किया. This is a feedback link. Did you all receive it?
Sir, I've shared. I guess
Yeah.
you have shared to all the panelists, but it is not
Okay.
shared to everyone.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Very good question. Yeah, no pain, no gain. So my question is, stress has its positive role to boost our willpower. Absolutely, yes. When the stress goes from have to want, then it goes into a positive side. Yeah, so जो भी athletes है वो they go undergo a lot of stress on the body, but then they want that stress so that they can make it good. एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, पर उस स्ट्रेस की वजह से हमारी पढ़ाई और होती है. Yeah, so it's a positive stress. That's the want stress, not the have stress. Good. Gurvinder Singh sir, that's a good question. Another 2 minutes. Yes. Yes, Monica ji. Okay. Monica ji, if you don't want to ask a question, I just request you if you can mute your mic, please.
Sir, there's a question like how
Yes.
when COVID stress, when we are hearing someone is in relative or friends in serious or something like that is.
Yeah. Whenever the mind gets any kind of a stress, yes, the tendency of the mind is to get, and it is a very serious thing. Somebody getting COVID is a very, very serious thing. Yeah, but understand that, you know, in order to fight it out, you need to have a strong mind. Yes, शक्तिशाली मन का बहुत जरूरत है. Yeah, and this strong mind will happen through yoga. Yoga, pranayam, meditation, these are the techniques to have a strong mind. तो किसी को कोविड होता है, it's natural to get worried, but when that worry transforms into stress, that is the time when your decisions go wrong. Yeah, तो worry को worry तक ही रहने दो, उसको stress में हम convert ना करें तो ज़्यादा better है. Okay, so on this happy note, thank you so much. Yeah, I thank all who invited me for this session. I hope this session could do something good for you. Yeah, in case आपने feedback form नहीं भरा है, तो I request the organizer कि अगर WhatsApp group है या कुछ email है या ऐसा कुछ है, उसमें link जरूर डाल दीजिए. I would really like to hear it from you. आपको कैसे लगा? Okay, so thank you so much. Over to you, Dr. Regular sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Himanshu sir, for giving wonderful explanation about mind, body, meditation, pranayam, so many things you took in 2 hours. I know even if phase 1 to be completed, that is a 1 week course. Presently, I don't know, but 17 years back, I did this 1 week course of phase 1 or part 1. I think part 1.
Yes, it's part 1 that time is to call.
Yeah,
How
art
was your
of living.
experience?
Yeah, that was a wonderful experience, and
Yeah.
happy to share that out of that pranayam I do very regularly. So every day, today whatever you are giving the practice, so that I do every day. So it's a wonderful experience of art of living course. Only the other things I could not manage, but pranayam I did since 17 years. I am continuing, and that gives me energy to work. So I request even all participants to really, you should go with this meditation and pranayam so that your energy will increase. And it's really a required thing, because we are somehow we sometimes we know and sometimes we don't know that we are being stressed. So that's a really good experience. And today's session also very nicely and very calm and quiet and with a smiling face you have explained. So that may be another takeaway from this session for my participants, because most of them, they are faculties. So how to keep the smile while delivering the lectures.
I'm
So
glad.
that is also another one. In addition to the meditation and pranayam, so how to be with a smiling face while we are delivering the lectures and sessions. So thank you very much, and definitely in some other programs and all, we will be in touch with you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank
Even
you
if
so much.
yeah, even if one or two participants, if they wish to share something, definitely we'll give 2 minutes. But in chat box, they have written so much of.
Absolutely. And I'm glad to see the feedback forms too. Yeah, it'll.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, and I take your leave, and I hope to meet you all in person one fine day. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Now today's session is over, and tomorrow, as per schedule, the session will be there.